Kia ora te whānau, welcome to today's video. I feel somewhat a little guilty because the last two videos I've done have only been little showcases of the Procreate recording. But anyway, I managed to sit down and have a bit of a decent draw today. So here we have our design that we did for today. I tried my hand at a bit of taniko patterns, which is all these triangles that you see here, and then I'm still trying to figure out the shading. At the moment I'm just doing, this is kind of like the easy way. Instead of outlining like what I was doing last time, I just fully color it in. But yeah, these sessions take real long, so if I want to get have a real go at it, I need to sit down for at least a couple of hours, which I don't have at the moment. Some of you probably know, like I said in a previous video, we've been moving house, so we've been real busy, hence why the videos over the last couple of days have only been a showcase, but this one will be a full one. This is the design we're going for. I'm still having a bit of trouble trying to figure out like how my designs flow. At the moment I'm just fitting in what I can. So you have like this puhoro over here, you have I think it's called a ngutukura, this design here. We're getting there. I'm really enjoying the process and I hope you guys are enjoying the videos too. But anyway, whānau, if you get any value out of this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this one. Hope you enjoyed the video, te whānau, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Chat, ka kite.